Difference between method, didactic, and pedagogy. Method. It is a way of doing something in a systematic, organized, or structured way. It refers to a technique or set of activities to develop a task. In some cases, what is a method is also understood as the usual way of doing something for a person based on person experience and preference. Didactic. The teaching has two expressions, a theoretical and unpractical one. At the theoretical level, the didactic studies, analyzes, describes, and explains the teaching learning process too. In this way, general knowledge about the education process and postulate the set of rules and principles that constitute and guide the theory of teaching. On a practical level, on the other hand, teaching work as an applied science because on the one hand it uses teach theories while on the other it intervenes in the education process by proposing models, methods and techniques that optimize process teaching learning. Pedagogy is in science belonging the social and human science, which is responsible for the study of education. The main purpose of the study of pedagogy is to study education as a sociocultural phenomenon that is, there is knowledge of other sciences that can help make people understand what education really is, such as history, psychology, sociology, politics, and many others. Grammar translation method. As the name implies, this technique, the traditional form of language change, which dates back to the change on Latin and Greek, focus primarily on grammar and traditional skills. Although it may be the easiest method for teachers with limited English proficiency, some teaching results of many students are often neglected. The extensive critics of the method adduce pronunciation, speech, and active commitment to the language of audible.